right now. And if you can see everything going on behind me, then you'll notice I have a radio. Turn that down a little bit. I have, sorry, let me start over. If you can tell what's going on behind me, it's corn harvest. And it's also very wet out here. So, let me show you guys exactly what we're dealing with. They get stuck. We pull them. That's Oscar right there. Gary's up there. And I'm sitting here. 139er. Pretty cool, huh? Try to get to a better position so y'all can see what's going on. I know it's not the best, but hey, you get what you get, you know? Awesome. Lots of fun. So far, I've only pulled one truck, which isn't bad. Luckily, the guy on the cutter has a rope on the very back, so he can pull the rest of the way through. This might be a long vlog, by the way. If it is, well, hey, at least it'll be somewhat interesting.
Water wagon spin out, guys. Let's not hit him like Mr. Hammer did last year. And that's the same driver too. That pulled it from. Hey, Hammer, can you call Rick?
Yeah, sure. Oh man, this is like the 20th or 30th tractor I've pulled today. Or truck, well, I don't know. I'm so tired, I don't even know what to say anymore. It's been a long day. So long. I'm so tired. What time is it? 6:34.
Come on back this little Jaime and I'll make it to the end. You got a copy, Jim? Yeah. Hey, I don't have any more. I don't think I like the shop. Can I use that one? You got your truck? Turn around. You got to turn around.
I swear, all day up and down these stairs, and I think you guys know how tall the 580 is. I've been jumping up and down these stairs all day. I'm exhausted. Oh, corn harvest is a workout. It's so chaotic right now. But look at all they've been done. This was 120 acres. They started at, I don't know, 10:30 maybe, and it's already 6:40. So they've gotten a lot done. Of course, we also have 17 trucks and 2 cutters going. A lot of people out here. It's like 11 at night. We're still running. We're about to stop. I'm just in this cornfield trying to find a truck to get out. Oh, someone's coming. I better put the